What if we told you that the global manufacturing landscape is changing and that Made in India is slowly but surely replacing Made in China on the shelves? Yes, you heard it right. We are witnessing a significant shift in the global manufacturing landscape. This shift is not sudden, but rather a gradual process that has been influenced by several factors. One such factor is the rising labor costs in China. As China's economy grows and its middle class expands, wages are naturally increasing. This, in turn, has made manufacturing in China more expensive, prompting many companies to look for more cost-effective alternatives. Another reason behind this shift is the ongoing trade war between China and the United States. The imposition of hefty tariffs on Chinese goods by the US has led to an increased cost of importing from China. This situation has made India, with its relatively lower tariffs and abundant labor force, an attractive alternative for companies wanting to diversify their supply chains. But it's not just about cost. India's competence in manufacturing is also growing. Over the years, the country has made significant strides in improving its manufacturing capabilities. It has invested in infrastructure, technology, and skills training, making it a viable competitor in the global manufacturing sector. This shift is a significant change in the global supply chain. For decades, China has been the go-to destination for manufacturing. But now, we are seeing more and more Made in India labels on the shelves. It's an affirmation of India's growing role in the global economy and a testament to its potential as a manufacturing hub. So, it's clear that India is steadily gaining ground in the global manufacturing sector. But how does it compare to the manufacturing powerhouse that is China? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this in our next scene. When we talk about manufacturing capabilities, China has been the reigning champion for a long time. But India is not far behind. Let's see how these two countries stack up against each other. China's manufacturing prowess is undisputed, a result of decades of intense development and investment. Their infrastructure is second to none, boasting of sprawling industrial parks, state-of-the-art machinery, and sophisticated logistics networks. This robustness has allowed China to efficiently and rapidly manufacture goods, earning it the title of the world's factory. On the flip side, China is grappling with rising labor costs. As the Chinese economy grows and living standards improve, workers are demanding higher wages, which in turn increases the cost of manufacturing. This is one of the key reasons why many companies are looking to diversify their manufacturing bases. Now let's turn our attention to India. India's greatest strength lies in its young and dynamic workforce. With an average age of 29, India boasts one of the youngest populations in the world. This demographic dividend could translate into a substantial labor force, capable of powering India's manufacturing sector. However, India's manufacturing sector is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, inconsistent tax policies, and infrastructural bottlenecks have often been cited as roadblocks to India's manufacturing growth. But the government's initiatives like the Make in India campaign are aimed at overcoming these challenges and making India an attractive manufacturing hub. The recent shift in global manufacturing, driven by the need for diversification and resilience in supply chains, is favoring India. Companies are increasingly looking at India as a viable alternative to China, which could significantly boost India's manufacturing sector. As we've seen, both India and China have their strengths and challenges in manufacturing, but the shift in global manufacturing is definitely favoring India at the moment. To wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key points we've discussed today. We've witnessed a significant shift in global manufacturing, with India steadily emerging as a viable alternative to China. This change is due to a variety of factors, including improved infrastructure, competitive labor costs, and a favorable business environment in India. Furthermore, the comparison of India and China's manufacturing capabilities has shown that India is not only catching up, but in some areas is surpassing its Chinese counterpart. This is thanks to India's impressive strides in technology adoption and its robust supply chain management. We've also delved into how the shift is being reflected on American shelves, with Made in India labels increasingly replacing Made in China. This is a testament to India's strengthening position in the global market and an indicator of the country's potential to become a leading manufacturing hub. So, there you have it, a snapshot of the changing global manufacturing landscape. It's an exciting time for India as it steps up to become a major player in this arena. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving situation.